Hello, welcome back to my channel. Ew, I'm not about to. What up, guys? It is your girl Rhey back again with another video. So welcome. If you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe since you already here, sis. We're gonna be doing a video on this look. We're using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Kind of like a first impressions. Trying to be consistent with making videos for you guys every week. So if I get annoying, I'm sorry. Don't watch it. Unfollow me. If you guys don't want to see me win, then you guys can hate. You like my cup? It has an R on it. R for Rena. She's a bad bitch. Bent on Laura Bancroft, PlayStation Lee. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I did this look, please continue to watch, grab a snack, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. I know you guys are seeing how beautiful my hair is. Yes, Gary, if you're watching this, you did that. I did my eyebrows already, as you can see. We're going to start by priming my eyelids with the LA Girls Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna get a little brush and just blend this out. Now that I blended out my concealer for my eyeshadow, I'm going to set it with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. So now that my eyelids are primed, we're gonna start doing the eyeshadow. First color that I'm going to dip into is the orange one here. I'm just gonna use like a regular fluffy brush. Dust off that excess right there. The next color we are going to dip into is going to be the yellow color. We are going to be dipping back into the palette and we're going to use the pink color right here. I'm using the Nicka K eyeshadow base in white. I like to use white eyeshadow base so the color could really pop out more. Raise your brows when you do this and then just, you know, tap onto your lid and then work your way up to your crease. I'm going to be using this pointy, I think this is an eyeliner brush, and we're just going to, you know, perfect the line of the cut crease. We're going to be doing the lid now. We're going to dip into that yellow right there. And we're just gonna put that all over the lid. We're gonna use this brush right here. We're gonna go back into the pink and we're just going to, you know, blend that in right there. I'm going to get the liner brush again and I'm gonna dip into that pink and I'm just gonna, you know, cut the crease a little bit more so it doesn't look so like it looks like bam. So my eyeshadow is basically done. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to do my eyeliner, and you know, you guys, I love the LA Girl gel liner. Yes, in jet black. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera only so I could concentrate a little bit more. All right, guys. So I just put on my liner. I'm going to be doing my lashes now. Use this mascara by Maybelline. It's called the Lash Sensational. So the lashes that I will be using is these Casino lashes, and it's in the style Sis Star. I used this in my last video. I need new lashes so bad. So I have my lashes on and everything. I'm gonna do my face off camera, and then after that we're gonna do the bottom of my eyelids. Okay, so I just did my face. It took me a minute because I didn't know what kind of lip I wanted to do. We're going to get this yellow, and I'm using a flat fluffy brush for this, you know, type accent. I'm gonna get a smaller brush here, a smaller thinner brush, and we're gonna hop into that pink right there. Do you see this? Do you see this? God. My hair is so broken, but it's getting better. We're going to use a highlighter for the inner corners and my face. We're gonna use the Bretman Rock Morphe Babe in Paradise palette, and it's my favorite highlighter palette so far that I've ever used. I need a flat brush. 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 Okay. So I've decided I am going to be using Vacation right here, and we're gonna put that in the inner corners of my eye. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit on my brow bone as well. I'm gonna set my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And you know, I just started using this and it's actually really good. And we're gonna go back into Vacation. I totally forgot to put highlighter in the middle of my nose. I'm gonna go back into my flat brush and just put some right here. Make your little nose, and on the bridge on my nose as well. And a little bit right there. I want to put some highlighter on my lip. I'm pretty much done with this look. I think I'm just gonna change into something else and just kind of, you know, tame this little flyaways right here because it's bothering the fuck out of me. And I will be back. All right, guys, so this is pretty much the finished look that we have, and this is all used by the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Overall, you know, I really liked the palette. However, the eyeshadow base that I used made it seem really chalky on the lid, so that's something I might have to change. I'm probably gonna have to use a concealer next time, or probably set it with powder before I start doing my eyelids. Kind of matches my nails, so you know, it's kind of popping, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please comment below what you guys think of this look. What do you think I should do next? If you guys have any ideas for me to do, my next video will be a question and answers video, so you guys can kind of get to know me a little bit better. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.